MongoDB is a cross-platform, open-source, and document-oriented NoSQL database. It was released in 2009 and now is the most widely used NoSQL database. Welcome everyone. NoSQL it stands for Not Only SQL. MongoDB is one of the NoSQL categories. Document database. There are other categories such as key-value databases, graph databases, and column-oriented databases. MongoDB's architecture is based on 3 layers. Database, it represents the data container. Multiple databases can be added to a single server. Collection, it stores multiple documents and each document can have a different structure. Document, it represents individual records within a collection. MongoDB stores this information in JSON format, a binary encoded representation of JSON. JSON includes multiple types: array, date, float, object, etc. NoSQL databases, also known as non-relational databases, differ from the relational database management system in several ways. Relational database schema is fixed and cannot be easily changed, while MongoDB is schemaless, which stores data in flexible JSON-like documents. Relational database is table-based with rows and columns, whereas MongoDB is document-based. Relational database allows join operations to create data across tables and request data to be normalized. Instead, MongoDB doesn't support joins and doesn't require normalization. Relational database is designed to be vertically scalable by adding more resources on a single server. MongoDB is designed to be horizontally scalable, increasing its performance by adding more servers. MongoDB has diverse applications: big data, artificial intelligence, mobile apps, real-time analytics, Internet of Things, gaming, web applications, serverless development, and much more. Now, time for a demo. MongoDB provides a multi-cloud database service called MongoDB Atlas. So in this demo, we'll deploy a new MongoDB instance in the cloud to create data from some collection. So go to the MongoDB Atlas and click this try free button to create a new account. This is the default MongoDB Atlas dashboard. So to create a new MongoDB instance, click create to create a deployment. And to deploy your database, it's important to select one of these tiers. For demo purposes, select the free or shared cluster tier. We need to define which provider to use, the region, and the cluster name. Click create. The new cluster is provisioning, so go to the database tab. We have our database instance running in the cloud. So click browse collections. Now we don't have any collection, but we can load a sample dataset, browse collections again. And as you can see, we have several collections that MongoDB has created for us in order to perform query operations. In this filter field, we can apply query operations. So go to the query and projection operators documentation from MongoDB, where we can see all the query selectors that MongoDB provides. We have comparison operators, logical operators, element, evaluation, geospatial, and a bunch of operators to create data. So let's use the greater than operator to filter data from this collection. In this case, I will use the bets field. And we want to field this listing and reviews collection where bets or the number of bets are greater than 8. To do that, you need to define the name of the property and curly braces call the operator greater than and specify the number, in this case 8. So it will filter the data based on this query operator, apply the filters, and the results, we have just results where bets are greater than 8. But maybe I want to filter data when the summary field contains colonial what. So how to do that? In the query and projection operators, we can search for this regex operator that, as the description says, it selects documents where values match a specified regularized portion. So how to do that? In the filter field, define the name of the property and in curly braces the query operator that we want to use. Forget function and define the name of the text that we want to filter data. So apply the filters and let's see what happens. As you can see, we have just one result, that the summary contains the colonial text and the number of beds are greater than 8. So maybe I want just to apply the summary filter, remove the number of beds query operator, and filter the data. In this case, we had 4 results where the summary contains the colonial keyword. As you can see, this document also contains the colonial word. So this is a quick demo to create a new MongoDB instance and apply query operators to filter data in a sample collection. What are the benefits of MongoDB? MongoDB is a distributed database at its core, so high availability, horizontal scaling, and geographic distribution are built in and easy to use. It supports indexing for document fields, which can improve query performance. Data redundancy through replica sets to ensure high availability. Provides ad hoc and document-based queries for manipulating data. Sharding allows data distribution across multiple servers or clusters, which can handle high traffic and failure recovery. MongoDB supports multi-document ACID transactions for the use cases that require them. And the drawbacks. It can be challenging to work with complex document relationships that may require SQL joins. Querying large datasets and using in-memory indexes for query performance can lead to high memory usage. MongoDB's default configuration prioritizes performance and availability, but may not be suitable for applications that require strong data consistency. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. May the code be with you.